Hello students, welcome to the new chapter, that is the fourth one, interpolation and extrapolation. Okay students, so before starting the chapter, so let us see the marks distribution of this chapter. Students, so in this chapter you will get 2 marks 1 question. In section B you will get 2 marks 1 question, that is 2 ones are 2, and 5 marks 1 question. In section C you will get 5 marks example. See here students, so on this chapter, that is interpolation extrapolation, total you are getting 7 marks. See students, out of these 7 marks, purely 2 marks is a theoretical part. Okay, and see in this chapter students, total there are 2 methods are there. One is binomial expansion method and the second one is Newton's method. Out of these 2 methods, so for 5 marks, one method example is compulsory. Okay students, so on this chapter we are getting total 7 marks. Let us start the chapter. Introduction. See, interpolation and extrapolation are some important statistical techniques of estimation. For example, consider 2 independent variables x and y, where x independent variable and here y dependent variable. That is, variation in the value of x results in the variation in the value of y. So, let x0, x1, x2 so on up to be the given values of x, and y0, y1, y2 so on up to be the corresponding values of y. Suppose if we want to estimate y for any value of x between x0 and x1, it can be done by the technique of interpolation. So this means in between value. Suppose if you are finding in between value, so that technique is called as interpolation. Whereas if you want to estimate y for any value of x which is outside of the given series, given x series, we use the technique of extrapolation. So this means when you are finding the missing value of outside value, this technique is called as extrapolation. Okay, so let us see what do you mean by interpolation. The meaning of interpolation. Interpolation is the technique of estimating the value of the dependent variable, that is y, for any intermediate value of the independent variable x. Okay students, interpolation means finding the missing value of in between value, that is called as interpolation. And second one is extrapolation. So what do you mean by extrapolation? Extrapolation is the technique of estimating the value of dependent variable, that is y, for any value of the independent variable x which is outside the range of the given series. So this means students, suppose if you are finding the missing value of outside value, that is called as extrapolation. Students, for 2 marks you can ask to find out or write the meaning of interpolation or extrapolation. Many times the definitions are repeated. The next important term is assumptions of interpolation and extrapolation. So it is also very important. Okay, so for 2 marks they will ask write the assumptions of interpolation extrapolation. For 2 marks you have to write any 2 assumptions. The first one is, students, there are no sudden jumps in the values of dependent variable from one period to another. So the first assumption is there are no sudden jumps in the values of dependent variable from one period to another. So this means the series is in the form of one particular order, for example 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, or 5, 10, 15, 20. So like this. So there are no sudden jumps in the values of dependent variable. For example, after 2 there is 4, after 4 the next value is 6. So there is a series in the values. So after 4 there should not be 8. Okay, so the first assumption is there are no sudden jumps in the values of dependent variable from one period to another. And the second one is there is a sort of uniformity in the rise and fall of the values of the dependent variable. See students, here the series is, so the series is it maintaining the uniformity. For example, after 2 there is a 4, after 4 there is a 6. See, so there is a uniformity in the series. For example, the series is 2, 4, 6, 8. Here there are even numbers are there. So like this, every number it is in the form of uniformity. They will maintain the uniformity. Okay. And the third series is, students, third assumption is there will be no consecutive missing values in the series. There will be no consecutive missing values in the series. See here students, if for example the series is 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, dash 6. So after 4 there is a missing value. You have to find the missing value. After this third missing value, suddenly there is no missing values. So this means there will be no consecutive missing values in the series. So these are the three important assumptions of interpolation and extrapolation. For 2 marks you have to write any 2 assumptions. And the next one is, students, methods of interpolation and extrapolation. So this can be asked for 2 marks. So what are the methods of interpolation and extrapolation? See here students. So we have total 2 methods. The first one is binomial expansion method. The second one is Newton's advancing difference method. Okay students, with this, in the next class I am going to discuss the first method, that is binomial expansion method. Okay students, thank you.